every language learner will probably have some difficulties in learning and memorizing vocabulary words. He or she will spend a lot of time preparing long vocabulary lists and starting to memorize them. However, according to research, our brain actually learns and recalls information through images and associations. That's why it's extremely important for us as teachers to teach our students to make this connection. Now, when we visualize a certain image in our brain, the association between this image and the vocabulary word is actually hardwired into our memory. So let's bring more images and pictures into our language classrooms to help our students improve their language skills. What if I tell you that there's a free, super cool and accessible tool that you and your students can use and draw just like artists? It's called AutoDraw.
Here's how you can use this fantastic tool called AutoDraw. First, you start by doodling something, let's say a circle, and the Google Draw tool automatically tries to guess what you're trying to draw, and it gives you several options as you can see here. Let's say that I would like to choose this clock, for example. Now what I can do with it is I can change the color. I can fill in different colors here, and I can also add a text. It's time to wake up. I can also change the color of the text. I can move it wherever I want it to be. Okay, and I can change the color of the text, as you can see here. And when I'm pleased with the results and I would like to download it, then I can simply click on download, and it downloads it as a PNG file. You can easily use this with Google Slides, Google Docs, and even Google Forms. That's it. There's nothing to download, nothing to pay for. It's free and accessible anywhere. Smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Enjoy!
There's definitely a lot of potential for AutoDraw as a tool for creating visual aids, graphic designs, or anything that you wish in and out of the classroom context. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.